bars when I copy my skill.
Got my heart no in the bed.
Music licensing reimagined.
Plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. Plastic bars when I copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in, then get us every day.
Face the fact that ain't no
Music
cap, I'm real.
licensing
No cap, I'm real.
reimagined.
Plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. No cap, I'm real. Plastic bars when I copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in, then get us every day.
In the cinematic constellation, the star that is Russell Crowe shines with an unparalleled radiance. His saga began in the crisp air of Wellington, New Zealand, where on April 7, 1964, a legend was whispered into being. Crowe's youth unfurled in Australia, a land steeped in stories. With his parents' culinary arts on movie sets serving as his first script to the world of drama. During the amber glow of the 1980s and 1990s, the Australian stage felt the stirrings of Crowe's burgeoning talent. It was a time of gritty roles and raw performances, culminating in the 1990 cinematic jewel Romper Stomper. Here, as a brooding skinhead, Crowe's deep dive into character captured hearts and alerted the world to a new titan of the film industry. Crowe's trajectory arrowed skyward. His craft became a siren call to the silver screens of the West. By 1997, he had woven magic into the fabric of LA Confidential, a twisty tale of intrigue that etched his name into the Hollywood annals. Yet, it was as the stoic yet soulful Maximus Decimus Meridius in the soaring spectacle Gladiator 2000 that Russell Crowe became synonymous with cinematic prowess, a performance that garnished him an Academy Award garland. This virtuoso is a chameleon, morphing physically and spiritually into each role. From the tragic mathematician John Nash in A Beautiful Mind, 2001, to the sturdy pugilist Jim Braddock in Cinderella Man 2005. His alchemy lies in an audacious ability to transform heightened complexities into nuanced truths that resonate with audiences far and wide. Away from the arc lights, Crowe serenades with musical chords as the frontman of 30-odd foot of grunts, and the ordinary fear of God, adding harmonious layers to his artistic repertoire. His off-screen pursuits mirror the collector's zeal assembled with care. His trove of cinematic relics stands as a testament to his veneration for the narrative arts. Crowe's odyssey is speckled with tempest sklishes with the press, and storied tempests in a teacup. These are mere footnotes in the grand narrative of his career, never dimming the incandescent glow of his professional mastery. Russell Crowe's tale is one of audacity, talent, and artistry. Bard of the big screen, whose relentless dedication sculpts unforgettable characters and powerful stories. From the rugged lands of New Zealand to the gilded hills of Hollywood, his journey etched in passion.